everybody. Thank you for the opportunity here. I am Jahnavi Vellanki, and today I work as a validation specialist here in United States in Indiana. And today I will be talking about a topic which is very crucial to or today's world in life cycle for a drug development process. So how artificial intelligence and machine learning can optimize the pharmaceutical life cycle, starting from the drug development process to post-surveillance, post-market surveillance is my topic. Before we go further into the presentation, I would like to take a moment to thank the conference, the International Conference on Information Technology, Convergence Services, and AI. I would like to thank them for the opportunity to present my research here today. Thank you for the board and all the committee members that are present today for my presentation. Thank you. So let's get started. As we get started, so today's presentation, I'm going to keep it a very high level presentation. And also the goal of my presentation is to give you a summary about how artificial intelligence and machine learning can be utilized or have been utilized in today's industry, with starting from the drug development process to post-market surveillance. What are the benefits that we have in doing that? So, as we all know, the pharmaceutical industry is undergoing a digital revolution with artificial intelligence and machine learning becoming potent tool for streamlining lifecycle management at every stage, from early drug discovery to post-market surveillance. So in this presentation, we shall critically evaluate how AI and ML technologies transform pharma processes by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, decision making, and patient outcomes. We shall discuss using predictive algorithms in target cell identification or target identification, artificial intelligence based simulations in clinical trial designs, machine-based compliance monitorings in manufacturing and in real-time analytical analytics in pharmacovigilance. And towards the end, we shall also discuss about blockchain, how AI can integrate with blockchain, and how data transparency can play a crucial role in the post-market surveillance. So those are the some of the topics and some in detail that we will go through today. So starting with AI and ML in drug development. So artificial intelligence has emerged as a vital tool to speed up the drug discovery and clinical trial optimization. So AI has been integrated into several phases of drug development process, ranging from target identification to the clinical design model or clinical trial model. Most importantly, AI-based models have proven to reduce early-stage drug performance prediction, predicting the errors significantly. Thus, that minimizes the late-stage failures and associated expenses that come with that. Machine learning algorithms have proved that they have improved the preclinical research by accurately predicting the drug efficacy, toxicity, thus, thus decreasing the need for animal testing. We will still need animal testing, but with using these AI algorithms, we have seen that we can the AI models can predict very much accurately the efficiency of the drug or the toxicity of the drug, thus decreasing the need of animal testing. So AI and ML enable patient stratification through genetic and phenotypic analysis in clinical trials, resulting in more target and effective trials. AI and ML powered predictive analytics allow the evaluation of large chemical spaces to find potential drug candidates. Because the AI models, they have the capacity or the capability to go through the combination of multinomics information and real world evidence. Such technologies, they increase the accuracy of drug candidate selections, thus lowering the risk of failure of the trial towards the end of it, which we have traditionally in today's world. These strategies speed up the drug development process and maximize the resource utilization in the pharmaceutical firms. Now, as we talked about manufacturing, let's talk smart manufacturing. Now, again, the artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming the pharma manufacturing and supply chain functions by increasing the efficiency, precision, and responsiveness. Integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning in drug making, which is being popularly called now the or referred as the smart manufacturing, facilitates immediate monitoring and adjustments to the drug making processes. From analyzing massive volumes of sensor data to equipment inputs, any AI models today can tweak variables and foresee any maintenance requirements, and decreasing, which in return decrease in the equipment downtime and any kind of like the predictive analysis about maintenance of the instruments, cleanness of the instruments after for a particular manufacturing unit. So all of these are much more logged and itemized versus keeping in the traditional way of a paper-based approach. The results in augmented productivity and expense saving. So the predictive maintenance support by AI is a good example of how it has helped improve the plant productivity in pharmaceutical units. Supply chain optimization. Now, predictive analytics powered by AI improve supply chain management through demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and logistic enhancements. Through the analysis of past data and market trends, AI algorithms can accurately forecast future demands, enabling business to realign production schedules and inventory. This proactive strategy reduces stockouts or overstocking, resulting in cost saving and enhancing customer satisfaction. The use of AI in supply chain operation has been linked to greater resilience and efficiency than the other sectors in the life cycle. Now, let's talk AI in the post-market surveillance. AI/ML are revolutionizing the post-market surveillance, as we know, and pharmacovigilance through improved drug safety monitoring and adverse drug reaction predictions. Those are the two big things in post-market surveillance. So AI in real-time safety monitoring, the use of AI in this in pharmacovigilance or post-marketing surveillance allows for real-time tracking of drug safety. Like sophisticated algorithms use patterns analysis of large data sets efficiently, identifying the potential adverse reactions more effectively than the conventional procedures where one has to call in and record it, and that needs to be logged somewhere. So these models inspect drug usage patterns and they also patterns and trends, and they also offer the insights into prescribing and abusive pattern of using these drugs. With the study of large data sets and these machine learning models, they can identify that are not according to the expected usage, and thus identifying the off-label use or potential emerging safety issues um, that we may see. The machine learning models process patterns of drug use and trends in marketplace giving insight into prescribing practices and potential abuse, as we spoke. From large scale data analysis, the machine learning models can detect variance from predicted use in helping in pick up an off label prescription or a new safety issue. Um, which these analyses help the regulatory agencies and the drug makers make decisions about drug safety and effectiveness in much more efficient way. Now, adverse event detection, a little more deeper into this. The patient safety is ensured through the early identification and management of this adverse drug reactions in this phase. Now, machine learning algorithms they use the large data sets that are available, such as the electronic health records and patient complaints for patterns that predict a potential adverse reaction. Such sophisticated methods facilitate real time surveillance and signal detections, thus increasing the efficiency of pharmacovigilance process. Now, along the process of drug development through the initial preclinical, clinical to post-market surveillance, we also have quality assurance that needs to be maintained. Now, what does it look with AI being incorporated with quality assurance? Ensuring the quality of the product is the highest priority in pharmaceuticals or any healthcare industry for that matter. AI-based quality control systems apply machine learning algorithms to identify abnormalities in real time during production. Such systems can detect even the slightest variations from quality requirements that conventionally, um, if a human were doing it, could have missed, thus minimizing the probability of substandard products entering into the market. Now, using AI in quality assurance has led to stronger decision-making processes within pharmaceutical manufacturing, minimizing deviations and improving the product reliability. And how about the regulatory compliance? As we all must know, the pharmaceutical industry is under strict regulatory mandates, which calls for rigorous documentation and reporting. Um, Conventional manual operations are usually cumbersome and error prone. So the introduction of electronic quality management system driven by AI has revolutionized the process through quality process, automation, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Um, Now, the automation process provides instant access to the quality information. It simplifies the interdepartmental communication, which overall improves the efficiency. As technologies keep improving, the contribution towards ensuring the safety and effectiveness to the pharmaceutical products is bound to increase, making them even more integral to the industry. Some challenges. We have some challenges as we integrate AI/ML towards the drug development process. The big challenge is data privacy because all the all the data, all the algorithms that we talk about are heavily relied on data. Now, integrating this artificial intelligence within the industries, it offers an enormous opportunity for innovation and efficacy, but the challenges and issues are equally strong and need to be thoughtfully addressed. The reliance on AI requires processing of large volumes of data, including sensitive personal information, raising serious concerns about privacy and security. So, the rapid technology advances in AI outspaces the development of regulatory frameworks, making compliance difficult, Regulations may require rapid breach notifications, specialized data protection teams, and impact assessments. So the reliance on AI requires processing, as we said, the large data. So the AI systems can inherit bias from their training data, and that could potentially result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in sensitive areas as recruitment for a clinical trial. And these are all linked back to the data. As much as these AI ML models can benefit the the study design or the clinical trial recruitment process, they are also heavily um, they are also heavily come with the drawback of having biased or sensitive data being open to the pool with the AI model. Few future perspectives with AI and ML. Um, AI is profoundly accelerating with the personalized medicine these days. Um, with the access with the data sets, AI models can tailor the treatments for for a patient down to the medicine and dosage. AI can predict the patient's reaction to different therapies and personalized drug doses. It can identify possible side effects through machine learning algorithms, enhancing efficacy and treatment safety. Predictive models that have been trained using AI are now making diagnosis more accurately and treatment plans personalized more accurately that minimize the trial and error techniques, which in some cases are the only option in these days. Now, the other future that we can see with AI is the blockchain. The fusion of blockchain technology with AI is providing a transparent and secure system for data handling in the healthcare. Because there is a lot of data that's being transferred from one to another, it is very important to have the transparency with the blockchain technology. So the blockchain distributed and unchangeable nature protects the health data from breaches and unauthorized access, overcoming increasing concerns over data privacy. Coupled with AI, the technology enables safe sharing of health data between stakeholders or facilitating collaborative research and allowing real-time analysis. So to summarize some of the key points from today, the intersection of AI and ML across the pharma landscape has visionary potential from optimal lifecycle management from drug discovery through post-market surveillance. AI-powered innovations in smart manufacturing, supply chain optimization, regulatory compliance, and pharmacovigilance have optimized the efficiency, accuracy, and decision making. However, with these advancements come concerns about data privacy, biases, transparency, regulatory compliance, which require ethical and legal considerations for mass acceptance. Now, pharmaceutical organizations that utilize the AI and ML technologies have the competitive advantage of being more efficient, cost effective, quicker in drug development. The predictive AI analytics enables their improved decision making in clinical trials, patient enrollment, their drug development process. Also, the automated quality control process allows strict regulatory compliance while minimizing the risk of human errors. Now, combining the blockchain with AI adds further robustness to data security, overcoming the unauthorized access and regulatory compliance. Moreover, the AI-powered pharmacovigilance and real-time safety monitoring enhances the post-market surveillance, minimizing the adverse drug reactions and patient safety. In spite of these, firms have to overcome the regulatory hurdles, ethical challenges, and biases in AI models to ensure public confidence and compliance with international standards. In the future, I think the lot of AI studies should concentrate on building explainable AI models that enhance the transparency and accountability of AI powered pharmaceutical interventions. Algorithmic bias removal and diverse training data will be essential for improving AI fairness and reliability. Interdisciplinary studies on AI-based personalized medicine and further refined patient-oriented treatment regimen and dosage accuracy can further move on, keeping all these other challenges in mind. With that brings to the end of my presentation today, and I would like to thank everyone for your time.